In this video, we'll see how to utilize Phrase's SEO Analytics tab, which allows you to connect your Google Search Console account to identify ranking opportunities and monitor your pages overall. First, click the SEO Analytics tab on the left, and you need to sign into your Google Search Console account by clicking the Integrate Google Search Console button. Note, for new users, the basic plan will limit the SEO Analytics to using one domain, while the team plan will allow for unlimited domains. Once connected, you'll see a month-by-month graph over the past year or so that will render based on the metric you select at the top here. You'll also see a Queries tab, which shows the queries that the pages from the domain are ranking for, and a Pages tab, which will show the pages ranking for those queries. And if you want to filter by page or query, you can use either of these options at the top here. But arguably the most important piece is this drop-down, where you'll have various statuses that sort pages or queries by how they're ranking. For example, the opportunity status will show those that are between the 10th and 50th position with growing impressions, while the decay status will show those losing positions with clicks decreasing. And maybe you'd want to bring out this data in an Excel sheet to show to a client or for your own team. Just click the Download Report button to get this data returned as an Excel sheet. In closing, let's create a Frase document from one of these pages. Just click the plus icon and it will show the page and the queries the page is ranking for. Then click the Create Document button, and we'll attempt to extract the content from the page. We'll then insert the content and click the Start button here to process the search results. Once processed, you can go ahead and click the Optimize tab to see which words are needed to optimize it further. That's the SEO Analytics Phrase's Google Search Console integration. Thanks for watching.